All right, you guys, you know we're about to leave in another week. So you got to do that spring cleaning. But while we're spring cleaning, I'm going to go ahead on and do some organization. So if you haven't seen my short is where I got this great haul from IKEA as well as the Goodwill and Walmart. So we're going to use what we have and some storage ideas to clean the pantry. So I'm going to show it to you and we're going to get started now. Okay, you guys, this is everything out of the pantry, and I want to try to do some organization that will help when you open this door, that it all doesn't come falling out on you, right? So here, let's see. So like any pantry, we got to clean it out, get it going. It doesn't go back too far. So we want to make sure that we get ourselves some storage and use our shelving properly, because this one has like a little lip on it where this one does not. It just slides forward, right? And we have some of the non-slip grip pads that got to be cleaned out and put back in there. So we're getting ready to get started with our cleanup here. Just wanted to show you all this nonsense. We're going to throw away the stuff we haven't eaten and we've been carrying it around for 6 months, and only keep the stuff we need because we're limited on space. So I'm not going to make you sit through the whole video. What I'm going to do is go ahead on and get everything set up, and then I will come back and show you the finished product and tell you what I use, where I got it from, and how you can do it, how much I paid for it, and maybe you can take some of these ideas and design for a small little penny. Okay, you guys, I got this great little stackable from Walmart. It was $7, but unfortunately I wasn't able to use it. I wanted to put my spices in here, but they were too tall and I couldn't get it closed, and it would have took up the majority of the cabinet. It was a good idea, but it was definitely a fail. So I'm going to show you what I did do. So for me, it's important that when we travel, all this doesn't come flying to the front and fall out on me, because I hate that. So I have these little baskets that I can easily take out. Just drop something in the back. That I can easily take out, push that in, get what I want. These are actually, they were $1.40, I think. Maybe not even that much. They were from the school supplies, like little buckets the kids stick in their lockers. This is breakfast stuff. We very rarely get to eat breakfast or have breakfast because we normally just drink coffee. And I have my beans down here. And the only reason why this is not crisscross is because my pancake mix is very tall. So I just put that on top. But I can easily get to it if I want. I could just slide it forward, pull this up, drop it down. Now here is where we use this shelf the most. This is like my little seasoning shelf. It's got seasonings in the basket. As you can see, we have another one of the Dollar Tree baskets, and we have the non-slip so it doesn't slide forward unless I pull it forward. These are my two containers of seasoning, so I could just pull them out as I want to use them. They snap into each other, which is awesome, and put stuff there. I leave these out because we use these the most, and they were too tall to go in any of the baskets. But when we travel, I'll slide this forward, put the syrup back there. I have an extra container. I'll take these, put them in there, and sit it right here, and then close the shelf, and I don't have to worry about it falling forward. Now this is my nuts and grains counter. As you can see, I have my pasta, and it's in another one of these little things that's easy to take out. We don't have any coffee in here right now, but it was deep enough that I could put both of them back there. So the two there in the back is the pasta and dried beans. I don't use those as often unless I want to use my the Instapot. Then I throw the beans in there, but for right now it's in the back. So if I want to get to it, I could just move one thing and pull it forward, and I got my rice and everything in there. And as you can see, I like the one with the lip just because it doesn't fall forward, and these are a lot heavier than those. Then this is our, like, I wouldn't say junk drawer, but this is stuff we very rarely get to, but when we do want to get to it, we can just pull it right out. In the back is cereal and some extra pasta, some bread right there where we could pull it out, and a little candy jar from when the grandkids come over and visit. So a lot of this stuff I got from Walmart, a lot of it I got from Dollar Tree, and it made it really simple. And even though it doesn't look like a lot, it's really easy for me to get it out. And you can probably find some good storage at Goodwills and Dollar Trees and IKEA, just like I did. My IKEA stuff is more so in my living room, and I will show you what that looks like in our next video when I do an all over walkthrough. I just wanted to show you some of my packing up, getting ready to go tips. What I do, what I start doing, what I start cleaning, what I start getting rid of stuff. And as you can see, it's pretty thinned out and we probably should go get groceries. But for now, thank you for watching. I hope you found this inspiring, even if it's just a little, give you some ideas, and you can go and create your own pantry organizing. Thank you so much for watching, and I might get something to hang from here now because there's nothing blocking it. It's not all close, so I might get me some shelves or something that go right here, that can go in here and in here, that won't be hindered. So two of these. So I don't know, I might do something here. We'll see. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.